children, so today we are going to make lotus. Okay, first you will make a standing line, then a horizontal line, then this left hand side curve line, then right hand side curve line we are going to make. Act them slowly and you should hold the pencil lightly. Okay, then again we will draw these lines slowly. Then here we will make one curve line again, then again one curve line, again we will do like them slowly we are going to make. Okay children, पेंसिल को lightly hold करना है, ठीक है? Do not make dark. We will do lightly, slowly. Okay. So here to standing line for the stem. Now we will add some wave lines. Here we will make a leaf of a lotus. Some lines. A small lotus we are going to make. Right hand and left hand side, both sides we will draw two small lotus. So wave lines. Do not make dark, it should be light always. We will start the color. First we will use red color outline, dark red, ekdam slowly. Ekdam slowly, color should not go out of the border. Okay, first this is dark red we are using. Now pink color lightly children. Okay, from one side slowly. We should not change the direction. Ekdam slowly we will do from one side. There should not be white space. Okay children, white space nahi rehna chahiye. Again and again, see like this how I am doing, and I have not changed the direction. See children, slowly and white nahi rehna chahiye. Okay, white nahi rehna chahiye, color line se bahar nahi jana chahiye. So like this, it should not go out of the border. Ekdam slowly. See. Here also same technique we will do, slowly from one side, always from one side. Okay, from one side we are going to do slowly. Yes, like this. देखो थोड़ा सा भी व्हाइट नहीं रहना चाहिए, देखिए, ठीक है चिल्ड्रन, लाइन से कलर बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. एकदम slowly you will do. Now we will use dark green for the stem. Okay, outline we are going to use dark green. एकदम slowly we will use the dark green color. So like this, all the lines we will use dark green. So now we will use light green from one side. Slowly we will do. एकदम slowly we will do the light green color. Yes, like this. Color line से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. See everyone, and there should not be white space. एकदम slowly you need to do. Okay children. See. Wow, that's nice. Completed a green color. Now we will use dark blue color for the waves. Okay, एकदम स्लोली स्लोली, लाइन से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए कलर से. Like this we will complete a dark blue color. Now we will use light blue color from one side slowly slowly. Okay, see, from one side we will start slowly slowly. We will not change the direction change नहीं करना है children. एकदम slowly slowly you need to do. See, you are like this, you are going to complete the blue color. Okay, the whole water portion you are going to complete like this. Okay, then we will start sky color. Sky also you need to do slanting direction from one side slowly slowly. Direction change नहीं करना है. Say children, like this, only slanting direction, white नहीं रहना चाहिए, and you should not change the direction, slowly slowly. And the clouds we will use little bit dark blue color. Say clouds, then you will make the sun, bird, you will add yourself. Okay, so keep practicing children. Bye bye.